Hi everybody, I'm Shreyas from MDAV Public School, Hyderabad, and today I'm going to do this topic on Google Sheets Advanced. So the topic given here, as you can see, is management of your e-store, and here are some instruction given. So first, I'll read with the instruction, and then I'll go on with the features. So the first instruction is to create a Google Sheet with the product details like invoice rate, project name, quantity sold, cost per item, total amount, shipping charge per item, net amount. And and the next one is calculate the total revenue and the net revenue. Add charts to show the sales of a particular product and the total revenue earned in that product. So uh, I've already completed um, the Google Sheet. So as you can see, this is the one. I'll just remain. Uh, I'll just rename it as invoice bill. So it'll be renamed. And as you can see, I've given all the details like the number, the salesman name, invoice date, product name, cost per item, number of items sold, shipping charge per item, total revenue, and the net revenue. So I've given the sales report of 5 salesmen and calculate the total revenue and the net revenue. As you can see, I've also calculated the total revenue and the net revenue here, and I've used basic formulas for examples. For total revenue, it is the cost per item into the number of items sold. So you can view the formula in the formula bar, and for net revenue, it is the total revenue minus shipping charge of each item sold. And here also you can view the formula in the formula bar. So I've used formula for all the 5 salesmen. So wherever you click, you can view the formula. And the next one is add charts to show the sales report of a particular product. So I've added 4 charts. 3 charts is of individual sales report, and the last one is an area chart of the overall sales report. So I've added 4 charts. I'll be explaining you the process of all these when I start with the features. Now going on with the features, the first one is formatting. So I've formatted the text, as you can see. I've used bold, italic, underline, and um, I've used the fill color icon to give a color to each and every cell, and I've changed the text color, and I've used borders and all those. So with this, I did certain basic formattings. And the next one is merge cells. As you can see here, I've merged the cell for the heading, that is invoice bill. So in order to merge the cell, you have to just select a group of cells and you have to click this icon merge cell. So as you can see, the cells are merged. So if you want to unmerge these, again you can click merge cells. As you can see, these are unmerged again. So I've used the merging cells option also. Calculation with basic formulas. As I explained you in the starting, I've used basic formulas like F5 into G5. So for the total revenue and the net revenue, uh, every salesman you click, you can view the formula in the formula bar. So I've used basic formula also, as I explained you earlier. And the next one is data validation. So so for the salesman one, that is Jitendra Gupta, I've used a data validation in the number of items sold. So if I just click this, it'll give me a like a message type of thing that enter the number sold less than 15 only. So now it is 3, that is less than 15. So for instance, I'm typing 23. So here it will become an error, and invalid input must be a number between 1 and 15. So if I type 3 again, it will be correct. So in order to add data validation, you have to just select a group of cells and you have to click the data tab, and here you have to click data validation, and for this I've chosen number option between 1 and 15. I've shown warning. So, and I've also typed a warning text, and there are so many options like date, text, number, list of items, list from range, but the process is same for everything. So I've used data validation also. Now going with the next one, that is conditional formatting. As you can see, if you have noticed, only this cell is pink in this group of cells. So I've used conditional formatting here. So I've set a conditional formatting that if it is less than 2000 it should turn pink. So I can view my conditional formatting from here. So I'll click the format tab, and here I'll click conditional formatting. So here I can apply to range. And here are some format rules. I've I've used I've used the less than option from these format rules, and I can also set the color if it is in accordance with the conditional formatting done, and I can just click done. So now for example, now this value is less than 2000. So it is showing me this cell is in pink color. So now I'll just type the number of items sold is 20. So if I click enter, as you can see, as 6600 is greater than 2000, it automatically comes back to its original form. Now I'm typing 2. As you can see, it becomes pink again as the value in the net revenue option is less than 2000. So I've used the conditional formatting option also, and the next one is sorting. So sorting and filtering can be done in the same way. As you can see, for the second salesman, that is Rakesh Singh, I've used sort and filter. So in order to apply sort and filter, you can just select a group of cells and you can click the turn on filter icon. That is this one. It is in the shape of a funnel. So here I can sort and I can even filter. So I can sort from A to Z, and all changes from are done from A to Z, and I can also sort from Z to A. As you can see, it is sort from Z to A, and here I can do certain filterings, like I don't want July and April, I want only June and March. So as you can see, it will show me only June and March. And again I can sort like I want only June, and I'll click OK. So it will show me the information only related to June. So I've used the sort and filtering option also, and the next one is charts. If I scroll down, I've inserted 4 charts. One is of Jitendra Gupta and another is of Rakesh Singh, and next one is Simran's, and the last one is the overall sales report. So in order to insert a chart, you have to select the data. For example, I'll make a chart for this salesman. So I'll select the invoice date and the total revenue. So these both have been selected, and then I have to click the insert option, and here in the insert tab I can find chart. So I can choose any type of chart I want, like column chart, pie chart, area chart, line chart, and here this one is column chart. And as you can see, the chart for this salesman has been created. Now I'm deleting this, and with this, I've come to the end of the project. I've completed all the instruction given and I've used all the features, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.